Everybody is looking for ways to simplify their cooking routine. Love great food but short on time? One-pan cooking is your new best friend. It's all about simplicity. One pan, minimal fuss, maximum flavor. You'll save time on cooking and washing up, which means more time to enjoy your meal. And because you're cooking everything together, the flavors really mingle and develop. Plus, one-pan cooking helps lock in nutrients, so you get a healthier meal. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. When it comes to one-pan cooking, fresh ingredients are key. Think vibrant veggies, quality proteins, and punchy herbs and spices. Start with a rainbow of vegetables: broccoli, peppers, onions, mushrooms. The list goes on. Choose lean proteins like chicken breast, fish, or tofu for a healthy boost. Don't forget about good quality fats. A drizzle of olive oil or a knob of butter adds richness and flavor. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil bring amazing aroma and taste. And spices, they're your flavor superheroes. Experiment with paprika, cumin, turmeric. The possibilities are endless. Remember, fresh, seasonal ingredients make all the difference in one-pan cooking. So head to your local market and get inspired. The star of the show in one-pan cooking? Your pan, of course. But not all pans are created equal. For most one-pan wonders, a large, oven-safe skillet or roasting pan is your best bet. Look for materials like cast iron, stainless steel, or enameled cast iron. They heat evenly and can withstand high temperatures. Make sure your pan is big enough to accommodate all your ingredients without overcrowding. Overcrowding steams your food instead of browning it. Not what we want. A good rule of thumb is to leave a little space between ingredients. Non-stick pans are great for quick cleanups, but be sure to use silicone or wooden utensils to avoid scratching. Now that you've got the perfect pan, let's move on to a delicious recipe. Speedy sausage and veggie fiesta. This one-pan wonder is packed with flavor and ready in a flash. You'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 sausages, your favorite type, 1 chopped onion, 1 red pepper, chopped, 1 zucchini, chopped, 1 can chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat the oil in your oven-safe pan over medium heat. Add the sausages and cook until browned. Then add the onion, pepper, and zucchini and cook for 5 minutes until softened. Stir in the chopped tomatoes, paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper. Bring to a simmer, then transfer the pan to the preheated oven. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the veggies are tender and the sausages are cooked through. Serve with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a dollop of Greek yogurt or a side of crusty bread. Enjoy! With a little planning and these tips, you'll be whipping up incredible one-pan meals in no time. Experiment with different flavor combinations, try new veggies, and don't be afraid to get creative. One-pan cooking is all about making your life easier and tastier. So embrace the simplicity, enjoy the delicious results, and spend less time cleaning and more time savoring your amazing creations. Bon appétit!